Hey, this is Catherine from Cat's Green Kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. Today we will be going over some meal prep I will be preparing for my husband and I throughout the week. It is a vegan fried rice. You're gonna love eating it each day. For our meal prep recipe, we need to go ahead and get some rice and quinoa going in the Instapot before we get the rest of the ingredients prepared. Because this takes a little bit longer, I highly recommend cooking your rice and quinoa in the Instapot. It's very easy, and there's even a rice setting that helps make it simple. I'm going to do 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of whole grain rice, 1, 2, 6 cups of water. I have it on the rice setting here, and I'm gonna hit start. It'll take about 15 minutes to start to pressurize, and then it'll cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you are good to go, and you have fully cooked quinoa and rice. We are going to go ahead and start out this recipe. I'm gonna drizzle the pan with a little bit of oil, and I use avocado oil specifically. And that's just to coat the pan. We're gonna add 1 bag to the skillet, turn on the heat, cook for a couple minutes. We are going to prepare the seasoning that goes on the tofu. I've cut and prepared the tofu into bite-sized pieces. This is 3 blocks of tofu. Add 6 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna mix this all together. Pour this into the bag. I pour a couple tablespoons of my homemade milk in just to add a little bit of moisture for the seasoning to hold on to. We're gonna seal the bag. Now we're gonna shake. Okay, you can see everything is coated now. And we have this all pre-seasoned. Next, we are going to put this in the air fryer. So I have put in the seasoned tofu, 400 degrees for 23 minutes. Hit play. Going back to our vegetables, these are now cooked. Add in the cooked quinoa and rice. Mix that in. Stir in a ½ cup of soy sauce, and you can use coconut aminos instead if you'd like. All right, and there you have it. We are ready to assemble once the tofu is done in the air fryer. I filled 3/4 of the container with the rice mixture, and now I'm going to add the tofu eggs, and there's the finished product. All vegan and plant-based. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of a vegan fried rice. I also hope that you like, subscribe, and share my videos with others so that they can get to know how to cook different vegan or plant-based recipes. And I hope you have a great day. See you next time.